Hey there, welcome back to another episode on our series on how to IRL stream with no issues. Today we're going to be going over how to stream to vertical and horizontal destinations at the same time. Let's head right in. Okay, so how we're going to do this is with an app called Streamable.run, and it has a lot of features, one of which is vertical and horizontal streaming at the same time, and you can edit your canvas and video feed in both the horizontal stream studio and the vertical stream studio. So what you want to do is just create an account and go to dashboard, and it's really simple. What you want to do is just add a horizontal destination, like here I have Kick, and then a vertical destination. Here let's try YouTube. So I'll walk you through everything. We just need to start our server. It takes around 30 seconds. Okay, so here we have our server, which is where we're going to control our stream. So what we want to do is just first connect our phone. So I'm going to be using an iPhone or Moblin. And so what we want to do is go to ingest, Moblin, open up this QR code and scan it on the Moblin app. And just like that, it's connected. Just click go live onto Moblin like this, and we'll be able to see it in Streamable. And so to configure our scenes for vertical streaming, what we want to do is go into remote OBS. So we have something set up here already. So this is the horizontal scene and this is the vertical scene. As you can see here, some people like to make it smaller, so we can just do that. We can have any text, not actually low bitrate text, but we can change this to anything we want in this vertical studio. And this is good. We can also include the chat or anything like that. Any browser source you need can be added here. Just add the source like you would in OBS. Okay, so now that that's good, what we want to do is configure our Kick and our YouTube. So Kick is pretty easy. It doesn't need anything special, but for YouTube, what we need to do is go to Go Live. Here we're using our test account. And so first we have our stream URL here. So we're gonna copy that and go to Destinations, YouTube, put that into there, and the stream key. And the stream key will be here. So we're gonna do that, put that in. And so actually these settings is what was already saved. So there's nothing to save here. So we can just go ahead and click start 2 streams. Here it tells you what to do on YouTube, and we can click done. And so here we see the success. It's live on Kick and YouTube. Here, let's just check that Kick is live. So we go to streamable.run and we're here.
It's live.
And on YouTube, it is also live. It's vertical, so it's gonna be, this is the phone screen. And the neat thing here is that we can edit it live. So if we want it to be really big, like this, we also have the chat bot right here. And then if we just go to the live, we see that it's bigger here in real time. And we can edit this on the horizontal as well. The cool thing is that there's actually stream drop protection. So what that comes with is that you can switch to any other phone ingest or your OBS for desktop streams at the same time without ending your stream. And the next thing is that if you lose connection, your stream will still be smooth, it won't end. We can emulate it ending entirely by turning off Wi-Fi and turning on airplane mode, and we'll see that these streams, and we see that the stream switches to a connection lost, be right back scene on both the vertical and horizontal destinations. And when we go back, by turning off airplane mode and turning on Wi-Fi, we see that it will automatically switch back to the phone once I go live. And just like that, we're back on both Kick and YouTube. Anyways, hopefully that's helpful. We have a lot of other features, but this is just one of them. A lot of streamers are using this to capture a new viewer base because there's a lot better discovery on things like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube than Twitch and Kick. So a lot of streamers are liking that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.